Ngimelana mshini hi welcome sithi umyithiti shisa bhel ngafuna ukuthi uliphuze ujahile kodwa ufuna ukuthi uliphuze uhleli phansi ngoba waliphuza ujahile uzusha. Let's get into the video. So Usibindi allegedly posted a new girlfriend. Yes, I'm saying allegedly because he said nothing, but anyway who posted ugirl with IG story sakhe. So obviously why would he post just a random girl? Doesn't make sense, but again asazi will have to wait and see what yile mhlanganisa no girl. But you must also remember ukuthi ingane zeThembu is said to be coming back on our screen sooner, so obviously maybe nje usibonisa ugirl so that singamangali sazi ukuthi nje khona ecast entsha ezayo. Silinde nje ngoba maybe sizombona ugirl evela lapha ku utha izingane zeThembu. Another thing we must also remember is the fact that it is alleged ukuthi Amahle has split up with Sibindi Mseleku. So maybe the makahlukana nalo wabona ahlathi ngcono ngithola omunye, or maybe this could be the reason why Amahle wants no part in Sibindi Mseleku. If that's the case, it's giving Mangwabe vibes, you know. So Mangwabe was like, if Usamke uyangena mina ngiyaphuma. So maybe that's the reaction that Usamke was like, yazini angali vele ngiyazi ukuthi maybe uzoba neSithembu, but not this soon. Nothing says ngiya enjoy a honeymoon phase bese wena sofaka abanye sesibayi train futhi. Hayibo kanjani ngisasi ngi-enjoy triangle wena sofuna manje kusenza square wathi woka bhasi ngicela kuyehla wathi ngicela kuhlika driver wahlika umntwana wabantu. And the first thing that came to mind when I saw that post ukuthi Usibindi has posted the new girlfriend, ngakhumbula uSisu. It's a pity ukuthi angikwazi uqula, ngakhumbula uTiriza uMatiritiri eziculela ingoma yakhe athi oqola inhliziyo yami vumela izinto zenzeke. Ngithi iyoqola kudala yakaTirelo inhliziyo ngoba nje usekude othi nje izinto zazoyenzeka and kusekude ukuthi aqole. But anyway she has accepted ukuthi she is in a polygamous situationship, so obviously izinto ezinje they are bound to happen and it doesn't come by surprise. And one thing I love about Utirelo reminds me of Umaqele. Utirelo is that mbogoto, and I know new age people are judging her with hey this. I mean, each to their own. If Utirelo feels like, you know what, I'm not gonna leave a man just because unabafazi abaningi, because after all uyenza ibonakale like he's not doing it ngokuyifihla. I mean, so what's there ukuthi uyikwatele because you knew what you were getting yourself into. I mean, if you fall in love with someone who comes from a polygamous family, chances are he might also become a polygamist. So why must you be said now ukhala complain? I mean, what were you thinking? Ubuqabangani ngoba sibabukele labantwana on our national television? So I love Utirelo Matiriza, I love her. And if you feel like you want to judge her with Sagana future Sagana, hey, Owako loco, each to their own. And if Tirelo wants to stay, we are not judging her, but we are just saying, hey, Ntombo, ashwaganda magbo mngani wakho, or usifunele ipercentage into engathi inovolume yabo uphuzele izinto ezinjalo yabo ngoba hey kusazoba nzima, kusazoba lit in that union between wena noSibindi ngoba nje basazoza different characters, different personalities, different images, whatever, different background, different cultures, different spirituality. Usazohlangabezana nento eziningi. But anyway, Qina Ntombi, we are behind you, we support you as women, and we understand you, and you are going to be in Bogoto yethu. And whenever we need advice, sifuna ukuthi nje uhlale ufane noMaqele uzositshela advice right njengoMaqele was part of ezomshado, because she knew ukuthi yazini niphethe umpetha yabona la niphethe inja yegame. Because even today you won't find that woman stressing about ungena bani phuma bani. That woman is just playing in her lane, and look at what she gets now. Materiza, one day uyothola umshado wodumo ungakhathazeki, ungadidwa yilaba baloku bakubiza isilima bayekele buzuma, because she's where she is today because wabekezela wa understand the assignment. And also another thing I'm asking myself ukuthi if Amahle is no longer part of the picture, does this mean ukuthi Utirelo is the first wife? I remember Utirelo alwa noVuyokazi, and she said, khathe gona le ngoba mamkhulu na ke na taba, and I'm thinking ukuthi that's my girl, you know. Anginandaba ukuthi whether umamkhulu or second wife or third wife. Hey, Tirelo is just she's cruising nicely. Uzifana noMaqele, she's focusing on her love and Sibindi's love, like ukuthi ubani uyangena ekudala abangena baphuma bemshiya uMateresa uNtombazana uMntwana wathi hakihope. Thanks for watching till this far. Please don't leave it that liking, commenting and subscribing, and if you're watching on Facebook or TikTok, make sure to follow. See you next time. Bye.